Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change the color of candles and TradingView app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView app in your mobile. Then click on these three dots on the bottom right. This one. Click on it. Then scroll down until you see chart settings. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have the body and we have the borders and we have the wick. So for me, I will only change the body. So the green is the up candles and the red is the down candles. I think that it's obvious. So click on the green and choose any color you want. So let's say this one, blue. And for the down candles, so let's change them to black, for example. And after that, click on OK. And as you can see here, the candles has been changed. As you can see here, we have red borders. You can change it if you want. So let's go to the candle chart, change everything to black if you want, like this, and change here everything to blue. So it looks more good. Then click on OK, and as you can see here, this is my chart, my candles. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.